Tired of Windows 11 nagging you with "it's almost time to restart"? Don't worry, you are in the right place. Here is how to disable those annoying notifications once and for all. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we will show you step by step how to stop Windows 11 from interrupting your workflow with restart reminders. Let's get started. Method 1. Turn off Windows Update restart notifications. Open Settings, then go to Windows Update. Click Advanced Options. Turn off Notify Me when a restart is required to finish updating. This alone stops most "it's almost time to start" pop-ups. Method 2. Set active hours. Go to Settings, then select Windows Update. Click Advanced Options, then select Active Hours. Set manually. Choose your normal usage hours. Windows won't prompt restart during these hours. Method 3. Disable restart notifications via group policy. The next thing you can do is disable restart notification in group policy. Here is how to do that. This is available on Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise and Education version. Press Win+R, type gpedit.msc and press Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, then Windows Update. Select Manage End User Experience. Then double-click on Turn off Auto Restart for updates during active hours and set it to Enabled. Click Apply, then OK. Once done, restart your PC. Method 4. Disable restart notifications using registry. Press Win+R, type regedit and then go to hkey_local_machine/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/Windows Update. If missing, create key-Windows Update. To do that, right-click on Windows and then select key and name it as Windows Update. Inside Windows Update, look for a subkey named AU. If missing, right-click Windows Update, then New, then Key and name it as AU. In the AU key, create or edit the following D-word values. No auto reboot with logged on users. Double-click on it and set the value to 1. This prevents Windows from automatically rebooting when a user is logged in. Then create set disabled UXWU access and set the value to 1. This disables access to the Windows Update user experience and reduces restart prompts. Restart Windows so the changes take effect. Method 5. Pause updates temporarily. Go to Settings, then select Windows Update. Click Pause Updates. Choose up to 5 weeks. This immediately stops restart reminder. And that's it. You now know how to disable the "it's almost time to restart" notifications in Windows 11. We hope this guide helped you take back control of your PC. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Share your experiences in the comments so others can benefit too. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.